Hey there, I am HVAC Repair Guy. I have put in over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are taking a close look at two high-end heat pumps, the Concord 7HP19V and the Goodman GSZV9. When you step up to both of these units, you are looking at top-tier cabinet construction. Both the Concord and the Goodman use louvered metal coils to shield the outdoor coil fins from yard debris, hail, and stray rocks. Concord builds their cabinet right here in the USA. Goodman assembles theirs in the USA as well. Both of these outdoor units come equipped with a factory sound insulation blanket wrapped around the compressor to dampen mechanical noise. Looking at heating performance, the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF, tells you how efficiently the unit converts electricity into heat over a typical winter. The Concord 7HP19V comes in with an HSPF rating of 8.5. The Goodman GSZV9 sits slightly lower at an 8.2 HSPF. Higher HSPF ratings mean the compressor pulls more heat out of the outdoor air for less electrical power. Since these are heat pumps, they handle summer cooling as well, delivering steady comfort and high efficiency through the hottest months. Both the Concord 7HP19V and Goodman GSZV9 feature variable speed compressors and variable speed condenser fan motors. A variable speed inverter compressor ramps up or down incrementally to match the exact heating or cooling load of your home at any given minute. That means near-silent operation, precise temperature control without hot or cold swings, excellent dehumidification, and reduced mechanical stress during starting cycles. The Concord 7HP19V operates at sound levels as low as 61 decibels. That is about the same sound level as a normal conversation in a quiet room or a modern home dishwasher running. The Goodman GSZV9 is rated around 76 decibels. That noise level is comparable to a standard window air conditioner running nearby or a vacuum cleaner in the room. Allied Air Enterprises manufactures the Concord line in the USA. Goodman manufactures the GSZV9 in the USA as well, produced at their Texas facility. The Goodman GSZV9 outdoor condenser unit alone retails online between $6,000 and $6,300 for equipment only. With matching air handler line set and full contractor installation, a complete Goodman system typically lands between $9,500 and $14,500. The Concord 7HP19V outdoor unit averages around $3,500 to $4,800 for the equipment alone. Total installed cost for a full Concord system is approximately $7,500 to $11,500. The warranty coverage is where you see a clear split. Concord offers a standard 10-year warranty on parts and a 10-year compressor warranty. Goodman gives you a 10-year parts warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If the compressor fails on the Goodman within the first 10 years, Goodman replaces the entire outdoor condenser unit, not just the pump. My honest recommendation goes to the Goodman GSZV9. While the Concord edges it out slightly on heating efficiency and operates quieter, Goodman backs their variable speed unit with a lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year complete unit replacement guarantee. On complex high-end inverter equipment, that level of warranty protection gives you far better peace of mind for your long-term investment.